Hi everyone, I am Devi Salakshi from CSE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Here we are going to discuss about the subject Computer Architecture and Organization. In this we are going to discuss Superscalar Architecture, a more aggressive approach in equip the processor with multiple processing units to handle several instructions in parallel in each processing stage. With this arrangement, several instructions start execution in the same cycle clock and the process is said to be multiple issue. So this diagram will explain the processor with two execution units. In the above diagram, there is a processor with two execution unit, one for integer and one for the floating point operation. The instruction fetch unit is capable of reading the instruction and the time to storing them in the instruction queue. In each cycle, the dispatch unit receives and decodes up to two instructions from the front of the queue. If there is one register, one floating point instruction and no hazards, both the instructions are dispatched in the same clock cycle. Advantages of superscalar architecture. The compiler can avoid many hazards, throughput, judicious selection and ordering of instructions. The compiler should strive to interleave floating point and integer instructions. Disadvantages of superscalar architecture. The superscalar processor, the documental effect on performance of various hazards becomes even more pronounced. Due to this type of architecture, problem is scheduling in can occur. Very long instruction word architecture. The limitation of the superscalar architecture are prominent as the difficulty of scheduling instruction becomes complex. The intrinsic parallelism in the instruction stream complexity, cost and branch instruction used to get resolved by the higher instruction set as called VLIW machines. VLIW uses instructions long parallelism. It has programs to control the parallel execution of the instructions. Features. The processor in this architecture have multiple functional units fetched from the instruction cache that have the very long instruction word. Multiple dependent operations are grouped together in a single VLIW instruction. They are initiated in the same clock cycle. Each operation is assigned an independent functional unit. All the functional units share a common register file. So this is the diagram. Will explain the VLIW architecture. In this we are having function unit 1, function unit 2, function unit 3 as well as the register file, cache, memory, execution units. Everything will be in the same thing. So instruction fetch, instruction decode and execution will be in a different way and then the memory will be there and then write back will be there.